Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how to get light touch on the older iPhone. And for those of you that new to light touch it is basically a new feature on iOS 15 where you can extract the touch from the photo, or you can place your camera on the touch or on the book. It is going to identify the touch in the photo, and that's why I make this video for those of you that own the older iPhone, because this feature does not available. But you can go ahead and download this app. It basically does the same thing. For the link I already provided in my comment section, and now let me show you how it works. So first open the app, and you're gonna see the scan button, and we have scan file and history. For history, it is the text that you have already extracted before, and now I'm gonna go ahead and show you one more time and how it works. So now let me place my phone like this, and then I can go ahead and scan the text from my other iPhone. So now I already click on the scan button, and you can see it trying to extract the text from the photo, and this is the text that inside the photo. So, and it is very awesome. It does the same thing. You don't need a new version or a new phone. And thanks for watching, and then I will see you guys in the next one.